What's really interesting about the place is that everyone's just facing one way. So you don't have conversation, you just eat your food. I feel like I'm on the first bench in class. So he said he has this place, so you don't feel strange when a stranger comes and sits next to you. You can just keep eating, you don't sit opposite the stranger. He's like next to you and you just eat and you leave. Or if you want, you can talk to them. Hello. How is the food? Auntie, food कैसा है? खाना कैसा है?
अच्छा food.
अच्छा है, cute लग रहे हो आप लोग. I'm choosing to go to this one, Trattoria, because I heard it has good local food. Let's go check it out. So the reason that we all sit and face one way is because you feel close.
Feels close.
You concentrate on the food.
You concentrate on the food and.
I heard you have good local food. Is that true?
Yeah, is it true?
Yeah.
Very true.
Okay.
Yeah, because we serve food from the heart, not from the hand. So people love the food.
Present, ma'am. My food is here. It's all these local vegetables with fish in the middle and all the herbs and spices and very, very meaty. That was really good. What am I eating? What is this?
This is a complete Khasi special fish platter.
Okay.
This is dal fried cooked with a black sesame.
Okay,
This is coriander.
Coriander. Can you see it?
Yeah,
Okay.
and this is fermented fish grinded with the indigenous spices. Mashed potato.
Mashed potato.
And this is banana flour.
Oh, banana flour. Wow.
Yeah. And this is the salad.
Fish.
And this is
And what's on top of the rice?
and the rice is local rice.
It was so tasty.
Yeah.
Look, I finished it all.